Kinakaltasan po ba ang 13th month pay ng loan kapag nag-resign na po ba? Good question po. Sige ma'am, sagutin ko yung question nyo. Alright, please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una ma'am, ang sagot natin is based from research. And may kausap tayo na admin officer na kaibigan natin. So tinanong natin siya regarding this topic. According to him, ma'am, normally po walang kaltas ang 13th month pay if may loan si employee like Pag-ibig loan, SSS loan, or GSIS loan. May kaltas po siya pero hindi po loan at hindi tax. Ano po yung deduction po? Sige, later i-discuss natin. Meantime, ito na po yung example natin. Let's start with example number 1. So as you can see, sa example 1 natin friends, merong basic salary si employee. So ang monthly salary niya is 16,500. So importante na malaman natin ang basic monthly salary natin. Kasi yan po ang basis sa computation ng 13th month pay. So ngayon, ang computation po ay basic salary times 12 months divided by 12. Bakit po 12 months? Kasi in a year, merong 12 months. January to December, right? So i-times po natin yan sa 12 months, then divide by 12 again. So sa example 1 natin, may 16,500 si Joe na basic salary. I-times po natin sa 12, then divide by 12. The result is 16,500. So yan po ang ma-receive ni employee if wala siyang absent and kompleto po yung work niya from January to December. Buo po yung ma-receive niya. Example number 2. So as you can see, merong absent po si employee. So sa 13th month pay pala may deduction yan if may absent yung employee or late or tardiness. So in this case, na-convert na po yung absences niya amounting to 7,643. Yan po ang i-deduct sa basic salary niya na monthly, then divide by 12. So yan po ang result or makuha ni employee as 13th month pay. Example number 3. If an employee has worked for less than a year, ito na po yung tanong ni ma'am kanina, kung nag-resign yung employee. So of course, kung mag-resign ang employee, di niya kompleto ang isang taon. So less than 1 year yan or less than a year. So ang pag-compute ng 13th month pay, monthly basic salary times number of months work minus deduction na absent or late divided by 12 equals prorated 13th month pay. Yan po ang makuha ni employee po. So wala tayong exact amount na example kasi iba-iba po yung monthly basic salary ng employee. So better po na may payslip kayo, yan po ang basis. Follow through lang po sa formula. Alright, so very clear po, ang 13th month pay ay may deduction if may absent po or late ang employee. Yan po ang deductions. If may loan po, hindi po yan kinakaltas sa 13th month pay. Alright, so hope na nasagot natin ang question ni ma'am. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.